one, go.
Here we go, an autonomous period, 20 seconds of fast and furious projectile motion of fuel. Both alliances scoring, human players launching fuel from the outpost. And now we have transition shift into Alliance. Blue Alliance has the call. A barrage of fuel going in. 45.97. Doing very well there. 61.80 gathering some fuel for the Blue Alliance. Bring it over to the Alliance zone. All right, back over to the Red Alliance side for their period of time, 25 seconds. Looks like they're collecting some fuel. Trying to get into a scoring position. And there we go. Nice volley by Robonauts. Here comes another volley of about 10 fuel. Meanwhile, Blue Alliance is getting ready. Here we go. Blue Alliance now scoring. TrikzR4kidz lining up. 21.58 Red Alliance coming across, trying to do some defensive play. But Blue Alliance continues to score. 45.97 getting to position and launching a few. Here comes Red Alliance, rocking and rolling right off the top of their time frame here. Human players scoring. Robots are scoring. Here comes Robonauts right out of the trench. Collecting quickly, scoring quickly. Meanwhile, 43.32 getting some fuel. Oh, that's end game, 30 seconds. Both alliances are trying to score their last few fuel before time expires in this match. And time. High score 108.